Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to allow others to share your Instagram post to their story. If you want to allow other people on Instagram to share your post to their story, so let's see how can you do this. First you have to open your Instagram app and then tap on your profile in the right bottom corner of screen. Just tap on it. Then select three dots in the top right corner. Select and here scroll down. Look for sharing and reuse option, tap on it, and here you will get some settings. You just have to enable them all, and here's the setting which we want, which is post and reels to story. If you enable this setting, so people will be able to share your post and reels to their stories. So that's how you can allow others to share your Instagram post to their story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.